the first thing I talked about is the most surprising, and it's really just seeing that the scale at which this impacts. So, talking about 22 million in the unemployment side, and the fact that it's not too surprising, but just the human nature of supporting each other and really kind of keeping as positive as you possibly can through this. The other is just how the companies that are not as impacted as in the hospitality and leisure industry, how they're starting to do things differently. I mean, Fanatics, one of our customers, where they changed their whole processing line to create masks out of the materials, the raw materials that they already had. They turned over all of their manufacturing so that they could aid and send things out to first line responders. And the list of companies goes on and on for changing what they do is a primary revenue stream that's not in the leisure side, that's not in hospitality, but actually changing and focusing and using technology to accelerate bringing aid into all of the different industries. I would say I'm not surprised, and I think that is how the U.S. has always been like that. It's like the best country in the world. But the sheer numbers that were impacted and the speed at which they were impacted, the immediacy of where you went from a normal life to a completely life flipped upside down, and then larger corporations and smaller companies, mom and pops, doing what they can do to lean in, I would say are some of the two biggest surprises, but positive sign from that, from my perspective.